Hey guys, so I'm Pooh and
Chase Pooh Skibbity
your
McConnell.
boy is filming the video, so I'm actually gonna be switching out with him. He's gonna be showing you guys the RSF
650. Chase.
Racer.
This is his name. Chase Pooh Skibbity. Full name.
Yeah, kind of. That is my full name, actually, guys.
Yeah.
So
FBI knows. I think.
Yeah. He's gonna be showing you the Razor
RSF
650 RSF. Yeah. And he's also gonna be racing it on the track for you. So you guys just watch the video. Okay, so let's see it. Let's go to the track, bro.
Bro, this thing is so heavy.
Yeah, bro, that's what I thought. That thing was gonna be heavy because it's like
I'm gonna buy a new bike.
bigger.
For y'all to see.
And you guys, your boy is gonna buy a new bike for you guys to see soon, and he's gonna race on the track. And 3, 2, 1, go! And he was showing you guys the wheelie for the start. That's how he normally does his start. And you're gonna see him do the drift, and then he's gonna go back around here. So guys, just watching slowly, and then you'll see him coming in hot and make it around. And then he's about to hit the finish line. And he hit the finish. He's doing the other track now. So he's gonna do the full track with the jump. And that track is right there. Don't worry about that sign. I don't know why it's still there. Now he's going to be racing on this track right here. Let's see it! And he's racing down it. And he went over the jump. And he's turning back around. And he